Welcome back. Coast Guard rescued an injured sailor from a LNG carrier ship. The ship was cruising from Japan to UAE with liquid natural gas. A sailor was airlifted by the Coast Guard. Coast Guard initiated the operation of Vasco after the master was asked to anchor the boat in Vasco. It was a successful operation by the Coast Guard in Goa. The sailor is out of danger and is undergoing medical treatment.
एक LNG कॅरियर अबाउट 320 मैल मतलब अबाउट 590 किलोमीटर्स जपानच्यान UAE वयते आशिल्ले. They had a very injured sailor on board, एक Philippines named Alberto Soriano. And then we spoke to the master, आमचे ऑपरेशन ऑफिसर अक्षय जनान, and we advised him to head towards Goa because that was the nearest port. And आज सुमारे एक 2:30 वाजता आम्ही हेलिकॉप्टर लॉन्च केली आणि 2:45 वाजता शिपाचेर पावन आम्ही तेका विंच करून घेवन वयर घेतले आणि आण घेवन वी हँडेड ओवर हिम टू ते लोकल एजंट आणि तांकां SMRC हॉस्पिटलांत एडमिट केलें.
Durand Cup champion Salgaocar Football Club moved into the semi-finals of Hero Federation Cup with a 3-1 victory over Pune FC on Wednesday. The Green Brigade was in great form as they dominated the crucial group game against the Red Lizards. Salgaocar will clash with traditional rivals Dempo Sports Club in the first semi-final on Friday. The third local outfit, Sporting Club de Goa, will take on I-League champions Bangalore FC in the second semi-final.
That, of course, was Mahindra United in 2005.
Derrick Pereira's boys had beaten Karim Bencharifa's outfit in their last encounter, which was the title clash of 127th Durand Cup at Raya in November. While there was an opportunity to avenge that loss, there was everything to play for the Red Lizards, as a victory here would have taken the visitors into the Federation Cup semi-finals at the expense of Salgaocar FC. However, with the president Shivanand Salgaocar watching, the Green Brigade was pretty pumped up. Dempo Pierre put the home side in the lead in the 36th minute.
Feature of this game that Salgaocar have played, especially in the last two games certainly. Again crossed in well! Outstanding finish by Dempo Pierre.
Pune equalized in the second half.
Has turned this ball back in, looking for Ryuji Sioka. Could this be the equalizer? Indeed it is! Outstanding!
But Salgaocar put the issue beyond doubt with two more goals through Daryl Duffy and Gurjinder Kumar.
That is the goal Derrick Pereira was wondering for. Might just be the insurance goal the Goan side was wanting for.
For Dempo Pierre. And Dempo along. That's another goal. This is going to seal off their spot, and it's Gurjinder Kumar who gets his third goal of this Hero Federation Cup.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.